Hey my chickadees, welcome back. It's Arm League Saturday. Okay, so crafting and doing stuff today so far. What I did was I saw Beth Schuler. I was watching one of her lives and she was needing a napkin, and she pulled out a flow journal for napkins, and I thought, oh my gosh, I need to do that because I don't see my napkins. They're in a bin and they're in the book cabinet, and I forget about them. You know how my brain works. So what I did was, for my little brain, I just took some books, made it kind of tin style, wrapped that around it like she did, and then I divided them and put my napkins in. I did one napkin per, I just put one in here, and I thought, I can refill it as I use them up because I need to use all these napkins up. So I put one, and if I knew I was going to do something that might take more than one, I put two if they were the small ones. Hold on. Okay. Sorry about that. All right, so I'm back. What I did was I divided them up, and I put the napkin, and you can just flip through and pick out one that you want to use. And I thought that was such a wonderful idea. Thank you so much, Miss Beth. I didn't make them pretty. I just made it functional. This wound up being too big for the little book. So I just split the spine, added the cardboard, and covered it with tape to see how this works. And I figure I can make it prettier as I go. Plus, a lot of these napkins was just one-offs where I had bought them from some sales from like Shirley Ink Pup, and I think I've got some from Miss Pearl and here and there. And it was just one or two napkins. It was a whole bunch of them. So I'm hoping I can use my stash down where I won't need but just maybe one large book to hold my flow in for my napkins. But that one was the flowers, and then this one, and I love this cover. It's a cover I made a long time ago. I just love it. Okay, anyway. This one is animals like bunnies and bees and just miscellaneous animals. Just if it was an animal, it came in here on the front. I got them kind of twisted on the front. And then the back one was food. So if it was anything related to food, it went into this one. So if it had some type of food product on it, it was in them. So this is miscellaneous animals and foods. Okay, let's put these up because they are big. Oh, and then look, I took this bag, just a Ziploc bag, to put my white backs in. So I can use those to put it for the stamping and stuff to make my collage paper. I had been trying to keep up with them. And then, before I realized what I've done, I've used my ghost prints to clean up paint and whatever else. So I'm going to try it that way, see if I can do that one. This one in this book is just pretty. This is Girlfriends Forever by Susan Branch. And it was just a pretty cover book. So this one is just miscellaneous napkins. It has cartoony things in it, colored things in it, floor designs. I had some little shamrock. I think Miss Betty sent that to me in Happy Mail. So I just had different little napkins like that. So I stuck the miscellaneous ones in here, or the plain color ones, that kind of thing. And then in this one is all my birds. So if it was a napkin that had a bird, a majority of them are peacocks and hummingbirds, or I don't know, bluebirds or whatever. But I have a lot of hummingbirds. So, and I was going through my stuff, y'all. We kind of get in stuff that we kind of like when we're starting a journal and starting to get stuff and everything and all that. And I have really noticed that a lot, and I was telling Bonnie that when I was talking to her this morning, a lot of my ephemera, even looking up here on my ephemera boxes that I moved right in front of me so I could start using them some more, A lot of my stuff is, even the vintage stuff that I have went to sales and bought and stuff, a lot of them have butterflies, hummingbirds or birds, and flowers. That's the majority of what I use, and it's, particular, butterflies, because if it's not, they're still in here and I'm not using them. So I'm noticing that I've got a color scheme and a particular bird, a particular butterfly. It's something that I always seem to navigate toward. So that's something that I've kind of been learning too. So it is 4:31 and I have finished the napkins. Now, good thing about it, I had my napkins stashed in a, one of those little cubicle. I like those little cubicle bins. And I had one of the large cubicle bins, and it was full. And then I had some in the bag on the side. We'll put my flow journal together, separate my napkins, stacking them up real nice. All of them fit back in that one single big cubicle. So that was good. That was good because they were kind of starting to get it kind of, out of control. So straightening that up was nice. It did take me a long time to do that, but it is done, and I even have some stuff that I want to start doing. And I found some napkins that I want to do. My son plays baseball, so I want to do him a baseball journal for his senior year next year. So I pulled those out because I need to start collecting that kit together. And then I just love this. It's Halloween, but I just love this collage paper. So I want to make me some base tags for it. And then I have some shabby chic and boho that I thought would be pretty to go on the boho steampunk journal. I want to steampunk that peacock up. And I thought, okay, well, I can do my napkin paper. And then this one, and thank God that I forgot to put the mail out before I left to go on my work conference, because I found these that I had ordered. I think I ordered from Miss Cheryl, maybe. I can't remember. But I had ordered these, and I had ordered another one. I think this was given to me, but I had ordered another one, I thought. This one, I think. But I had ordered some too, and this one I bought at Dollar Tree. And I had got it for those Lighthouse journals. I wanted to make a journaling card with them for the Lighthouse journals. And I forgot all about it until I went through my napkin stash. So I haven't mailed them yet. Thank goodness. I can untape it and everything. But I want to make the journaling cards and stick in there with these because I thought those were cute. And I wanted to do a long kind of journaling card with that on it because she has a scene on one of her pages that has the little changing rooms, the old-fashioned changing tents. And I thought that would look, that part right there would look cute on a journaling card. So that's what I'm going to do today too, because I have the Mod Podge. So if I get to do that, I'll come back and show y'all how I fix up my Mod Podge tray with my Dollar General counter cover. Okay, thanks. Bye. Hope y'all having a good Saturday and getting some crafting done. Love you. Bye.